Hello everybody, it's William. Welcome to my channel. So we have achieved a lot. So if you're new here, by the way, welcome. This channel is all about game development, about app development, about incorporation of artificial intelligence into your developing process, and using the latest trends in technology, the AR, VR, all the fun stuff. And you're watching a series of video about 2D platformer game development, and we have already achieved a lot. I think we have achieved the full functionality of the basic game, and we're going to make it even more complex. So I'm just going to demonstrate that it's doable, but I'm not going to do every detail of it. I'm not making a completely really complex game with say inventory system or something like that. It's just like a quick demonstration of how things are done in really simple way in Unity, so you guys can get an intro like a boot camp, and then you can get dive deeper into my specific game functionality playlist. Okay, so you can jump it, and you can absolutely fire this fireball, and you can just get this smashed, and it's gone. And yeah, let me get this smashed. I think it's just in really small places, so I can't do that. So maybe I have to. Yeah, got it smashed. So yeah, we already achieved a lot, and so I think we already got this. Everything finished, and so I'm going to add a different scene and just make a different level. So right now we can get this hidden area at the top of the map. I think I can get some parts, say here, as a hidden area. So the only route for you to reach here is to find this magic jumping stone, and then you can get a platform like this, and then you can get a. So I think this is a good sign. Say you reach a certain area, and you can just transport that yourself, or teleport yourself into another map. So I think that's basically how MapleStory, one of my favorite game, works. So draw inspiration from that, and just add a little bit nostalgia to this game. I'm going to add a portal. So you can actually, we can reach that area and then transport into different places. So let's just do that. So I'm going to pause this game. And by the way, the best way to support me and support this channel is to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up. As you guys can see, I'm really small YouTuber, and I spent hundreds of thousands of hours updating material, so I need to make a living. So I need to reach the monetization hurdle, so I can put bread and milk on my table. So please subscribe. It's really important to me. So thank you so much for your support, and let's just do it. So first thing I'm going to do is to find this. Is to find the I think I should find asset. I think I got a lot of it. Let me just make it bigger. We get material, we get scene, we get animation sprite. Not here. Maybe environment. Yeah. So we need to find a place where I think it's good for portal. If you can't find a really good portal, you can just make it yourself. So I'm just look at the prefab, whether I can find a natural. I think natural, maybe something like that. Yeah, or maybe you can just use this tile asset. So let me just use a scene music. Definitely. Yeah, we haven't added music yet, so maybe I'm going to add music. This is our player prefab. script sprite input material, maybe environment, and use this. I think this is an interesting one. We haven't added that to our game, so maybe put it here. Maybe put it here. Yeah, just put at any places. Maybe put it here, or maybe here. It doesn't really matter, in fact, as long as you actually can I just drag it here? Yeah, strangely I can't do that. So I already paused this game. Yeah, pretty strange. It's just time map. Right, so sorry about that. I think I just got the wrong prefab, so I changed the prefab and it's okay. So I'm going to just click and drag this prefab here, so I can get this. I don't know what kind of tree is weird tree. So I'm going to say this will be a portal. Okay, so portal, something like that, and yeah. Basically, if you enter this portal, you're going to able to reach to another level. Right now, the portal is weird. We can't see it. So there's a quick fix to that. So you're going to move it out to see whether it's a problem of the asset or not. So right now, it's not the asset problem. So basically, you hide this asset down, and that's because the sorting layer it's not good. So you can add another sorting layer and add that to say there will be a portal layer. Okay, and of course you can copy this layer and add that to a portal. Okay, so there will be a user layer of portal and a sorting layer. And of course, don't forget to actually change that. Then I think you can just yeah, move it to the front so you can see it. And I'm going to move it to the place where it's the hidden area. So double click and make it. Yeah, maybe I'm just going to make it here. So this will be our place where you can yeah, reach to another level. So yeah, so the player got to yeah, jump to these hidden places in order to reach a certain level. And yeah, so after you have done that, of course you're going to spend a lot of time making different layers, and you need to design that and design the game mechanism, and yeah, some difficult places to go through, something like that. But I'm not going to go through that because I just want to demonstrate yeah, this simple idea of how to do the game development. So you can, yeah, that's the place. In fact, that's the place where you get more creative. Right now, I just show that the functionality, how to add and how to achieve it. So before we actually do that, here's a good tip for you. If you want to yeah, reuse a certain element, so for example, if you want to reuse the snail, you already attach the capsule collider, the animator, the rigid body, and all sorts of, and even the script. You can do something like this. Let me show you how. So we got this prefab, and you can just click and drag the snail here. So there will be a snail prefab. Okay. So every time you want to use it, you can just use this prefab. Okay, so it's a really convenient way to generate prefab and store. So if you put it here, this is a game object, right? But if you put it here, you will just become a prefab, so you can use it. And so, for example, you want to use the player, you want to use that, so you can just store the player here, move it. Trying to say missing script from game, change script move. Okay, so we got a missing script, the script in the player, which is weird. Script mono missing, mono script. Okay, we got a script, and Yeah, I think I can delete it. I don't know when I got this script attached. It's pretty weird. So yeah. Environment, would you like to create a new prefab from existing? New original. Alright, you can create original prefab or variant. That's this depends on you, in fact. Okay, and yeah, so you can click and drag all sort of prefab here. So when you say make another thing, and you can yeah, quickly click this prefab and drag it and make it another game object. So yeah, and hopefully it won't affect. I think it won't affect how our game works. So if you re-enter the game, it should be fine. And let's just test it out. Just make sure, 100% sure, that this thing is okay. And after this thing's okay, we can duplicate this thing to quickly yeah, do the say the camera and the restriction of the area, the time map, something like that. You can quickly generate that, and then you can fine tune it, right? So yeah. So yeah, my computer is just getting really slow. So you can fire it, and you can kill the enemy. That's pretty good. So once you are sure about it, you can go back to scene, and then I think go to here. Remember, we got 2D jumper by William scene. Okay, so I think this it will be our first scene here, and the rest is nature, something like that. It's just the assets that I imported, so you don't need to worry too much about that. If you don't know, you can just click it. You can see scene 2D jumper by William.unity, and all this is just nature asset thing. I think it's provided by this amazing nature assets, and your main camera got great. You can prompt that's pretty good, in fact. That's pretty good. The asset is already pretty good. Wow, that's amazing, in fact. This asset is amazing. And of course you can click here and get all sort of nature prompt, but unfortunately we don't need that. So what I'm going to do is to choose all that and a little sad, but we have to delete it because I want to demonstrate yeah, demonstrate how it is done to change different levels by using Unity scenes. And right now it's deleting working, and yeah, after wait a few seconds it finished. So we get 2D jumper by William.unity, and I'm going to rename it, in fact, because this name is definitely not a good name. So I'm going to say this will be a level 1. All right, and you can save it, and I think you will have to wait a few seconds for it to actually change it. That's annoying thing about this engine, is that every time you made some changes, and you have to compile, and every time you change the code, it will have to compile, and you're going to yeah, wait a few seconds for that. And so let's double click. Has been modified. Let's save it. Okay, so you actually go back to the scene, and where's our player? Double click our player here. So we got this level 1. We got nature showcase and nature. I think this is just automatically generated. You don't need to worry about that. As long as you are using nature, maybe they have to get a showcase thing. Yeah, don't worry. We just need to deal with the level 1. And you use the command D to duplicate that, so we get level 1, and let's say, hey, I'd like to say 5 levels. I think that's yeah, reasonably yeah, lots. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me do 5 levels, and so this will be a level 2. This will be a level 3. Yep. Yeah, as I said, It's a little bit annoying. So I'm going to pause it just to quickly change that, and I'm going to resume. Right, so after wait a few seconds, yeah, I have changed the name to level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you double click any of the things, it will just be exactly the same as what we already created before, which is amazing because that's exactly what we want. And of course, if you like, say, the user to reach a certain places, maybe this place is hidden, or maybe this place is in a really hazardous area, you can do that. But we haven't made the code, so even when the player actually reach these certain places, they can't change the scene. So let's write the code. Let's go to script, and let's create a C# script. I think this will be a say portal or transport, something like that. Transport to a next level. Let me just name it next portal. Just means that when you access, when you enter this portal, you access the current thing, go to the next thing portal. Yeah, you got the idea. So double click. Let's bring our favorite editor. One of my favorite editor, because I got a lot of developments. So. Yeah, don't worry about it. So yeah, we got using the system collection generic. Yep, we got public next level, next portal, model behavior, and start, and updates. Yeah, I think I don't need this event functionality. So yeah, basically, what I'm trying to do is to, if you enter here, well, that's definitely a lot of it. So basically, if you enter or if you collide with it, you will just trigger a certain behavior, and that behavior will be to load the next level. So we got level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I got 5 levels. So first, let's say, let's just add this void on trigger enter. Okay, so on trigger enter, and this will be collide with 2D. So don't forget to add that. Don't need to private. Get this rid. So on trigger enter 2D, collide with other. As long as you collide with it, you're going to load the next scene. Okay, so I'm going to use a start coroutine to do that. So start coroutine, and we haven't done that yet. So let me just got a name holder here. So load next level. I think that's pretty good. No, load next level, and then I'm going to write the load next level here. Yield return wait 4 seconds. Yep. Good. Wait for a few seconds and then load. So find a object of type. Find object of type level loader. We don't want that. In fact, we want to use a scene manager to get this scene changed. So yeah, let's wait for a 1 second, and then let's go to another scene. So what I'm going to do is to using an integer, and current scene index, Unity engine, scene management, scene manager, get active scene, right, and build index. So that will be a current. I think this is pretty good. So I'm going to go with the suggestion, but where is the suggestion? I'm going to get the suggestion, and I'm going to get the current scene index, and because you're going to go to the next scene, so I'm going to change this scene by access the scene manager. Okay, and dots load the next scene. So we got the current scene, and let's go to the next scene. Okay, so yeah, so let's save it and var, use var built-in type. Okay, so I think using var won't hurt. Okay, and they will infer it's an integer, so it doesn't really matter. I think it's just can be made static. Yeah, yeah, let's just live with that. We are not going to follow every suggestion. Okay. All right. After we have finished with that, we're going to go to the scene manager and actually get the scene corresponding to this index rather than just because right now the computer does not know our level 1, level 2, level 3. We need to connect that with the scene manager. Okay, so let's go back here and let's go to the build setting. All right, so file build setting, and we can see we got this level 1 here, and unable to access Unity service. That's pretty weird. All right, you don't need to worry about the online service because I'm positively sure that I already subscribed to that service because yeah, I already got this account logged in. Maybe it's their server's problem. So which iOS right now is iOS. Let's switch platform to Unity. Yeah, I don't need to switch platform for now. Yeah, let's just do using iOS. Because if you switch platform, you will spend a lot of time to do that. So yeah, let's go back to scene. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's perfect. So I'm going to click all that, and I'm going to drag it in here. So basically, we got everything dragged inside. We got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 5. Remember. So 0 will be 1, and 1 will be level 2, 2 will be level 3. Yeah, you got an idea. 4 will be level 5. And once you already drag it inside, you can actually attach the code to the to this mushroom. I think it's a little weird looking thingy, and let's test it. Okay, so yeah, let's yeah, because I already add that to the build settings, so you don't need to worry about that. And let's add a script to the portal, so the portal can transfer us to different places. So script, and we got this next portal. So I think I can just drag that to here. So we got this next portal script attached to it. And don't forget, I think it requires you to collide, so let's add a box collider, and I'm going to make it is trigger, and we got this. Yeah, I think we don't need a rigid body for that, because yeah, I just want to trigger that. So there will be a I think this is a level 1. I'm going to get our player, and I'm going to place it just as the yeah, near this exit portal, so you don't need to run all the way to do the testing. So double click, make it approximately near our portal, and let's test this. Yeah, I think I forgot to do one thing, is that I forgot to change the portal's layer. So you might encounter error. Yeah, I'm not guaranteeing anything. So yeah, let's wait a few seconds. Yeah, nothing happens. We just go to behind this portal, and let's change the portal's layer to portal layer. and let's see, we can't do anything. Let's go back to check the code. It says that on trigger enter, it will start a call routine, and we'll wait for 1 second in order to reach it. Maybe we haven't wait enough seconds yet. So yeah, already got this trigger running, so should work. And yeah, just wait for it. Okay, so wait for 1 second, and it did not change. Yes, so it's a little bit weird, so I have to yeah, let me check this thing again. Alright guys, I think I find the reason why. So yeah, I did not edit this out. This is because I want to show you guys how frustrating if you blindly trust artificial intelligence. So the generated code of Collider rather than Collider 2D. So yeah, so that's the exact reason why it bugged me for a long time. I thought it's these layers problem or yeah, it made colliding problem. So I check a lot, but yeah, in fact, it's artificial intelligence problem. So so as long as you got this this as the say the portal, you can set it as the say the portal layer, right? And you got this trigger collider, and once you got the portal layer, you can double check the project setting and the collider matrix. You can actually collide with everything, so it shouldn't be a problem at all. So if you click and let it run, and when you actually stand at this portal, wait for a certain seconds, or immediately you are going to load another scene. In fact, yeah, in fact, this guy is it's already at the scene 2, right? Right, it's a little bit weird. It shouldn't be a scene 2. Oh, it's collided with everything. So yeah, let's just make a default, because we don't want it to collide with everything. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I drop down from the sky, and then I need to wait for this to load. Yeah, so I can jump. I can just got a fire walking, and here comes to the moment of truth, is that when you actually step on here, and then you jump to level 2. If you look at here, you got level 2, and then you can then kill all this snail, and let's jump to here, and jump to another tree. Yeah, change the cinematic camera, and yeah, then jump to a certain places. Maybe we got exactly the same hidden area here, and then you go to this place, and then you find this portal, and then you reach this portal, and yeah, just dropped. Yeah, you got the idea. So if you know this method is going to work, you can duplicate the thing at these points, or I think we already got multiple thing duplicated, but with no script attached to different layers. So I'm going to go to this layer, go to the portal. Yeah, I think I already got this attached. Oh, that's brilliant, because I think I changed the. Yeah, that's brilliant. So I can just quickly test it, because I already got everything working. That's brilliant. So I'm going to make every sprites every player at every level close to the exit point, just to test the results. Okay, so level 2, save it, and this will be level 3. Get our player and maybe drag it here, and the level 4, save it, and wait for it. Yeah, just to wait. Level 4, get our player. If this arrow does not show up, you can press W for that, and level 5. Okay, save it, and level 5. I think let's look at code. Load scene, press 1. Yeah, so current scene, we get that, and yeah, let's check this, because if you're bigger than 5, let's see what will happens, because if you already at the end of the thing, you can't possibly go to another. So yeah, and then let's save everything, and starting from scene 1 to test our results. So every time you reach another level, you are really near at the exit point, so you can quickly test everything. Okay, so yeah, I just need to reach this like a mushroom or something like that. Yeah, just need to reach it, you go to another level, reach it, you go to another level, so level 2 and level 3, reach it, you go to another level, level 4, good, moment of truth, reach it, level 5, and then you reach it, and sadly you are at the end of the game. You can say adding a big text at the screen, say it's game over, you already reach the final level. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, you can add a text to it, but that's so simple. You can add it yourself. Yeah. So yeah, I think we already achieved whatever we set out to do. We got a fully functional game with the level system and hidden level. Get all the jumping, attacking animation, all the enemy working. We got the platform working. We got the dangerous places, the death animation. Yeah, we got all that. So yeah, I think that's pretty much about this project. And if I got more time, I might adding, say, maybe add some gem for that, so you can collect the gem and earn money, and maybe adding a inventory system, and maybe some skill trees. I think that would be really good. And I think currently I'm trying to working on some pixelated pixel art sprites in my at my Learn Digital Art, my digital art channel. I always want to learn digital art, and I think the assets creating is essential in indie game development. So I try to learn it myself, so I can make my own assets and completely control the developing process. And of course, I got another Learn Music free channel, so I can make my music myself. So this drawing I draw by me. So if you're interested in my process of developing everything, please subscribe and stay tuned. And yeah, so yeah, I think I'm going to rest a few days because I think I already achieved much of the project, as well as recording of this this series. And maybe I'm going to change to another genre of game development. To update, yeah, it's just introduce you guys the more technique and change of mind for me, because I have been working on this for especially recording tutorial about this for a pretty long time, And then maybe I got more time, I'm going to make a specific playlist, as I think a friend comment on my YouTube video saying I should make separate playlist for that, and thank you again for that. I'm going to do that later when I change the genre and finish this intro bootcamp series, and I might just do that. Okay, so yeah, so thanks you for you guys for supporting this channel, and please subscribe, and yeah, bye.